what's up? Back to my channel, and my last video uploaded really late, and I'm so sorry about that, guys. I did not mean for it to upload that late. It uploaded the next day. So I'm currently recording this video on Thursday, and my last video I recorded on Wednesday, and it was supposed to go up on Wednesday, right? But for some reason, it just wouldn't upload. Like, it literally took the whole night and a whole day to upload. It's literally right now 8:07 p.m. That's literally when it uploaded. Like, I apologize a million times to you guys. I am so sorry about that, guys. I did not mean to make it upload that late. I did not, to be honest. I really did not. I didn't think it would take that long, guys. I am sorry. I'm sorry. You know, if I haven't been very focused. I mean, I've been trying to, you know, be good with my channel. But, you know, sometimes you have to skip some things. I'm sorry, guys. And I was also busy yesterday. I was doing some things. So I'm sorry, guys. I will try to give you guys heads up if I'm going to be doing something. I always like it, but my mom told me on short notice, so I didn't really know. My mom just texted me and she's like, hey. Yeah. So I didn't know. So usually I will give you guys a big heads up. So I'm sorry, guys. I didn't give you a heads up before. I know people like watching YouTubers that are very progressive. What? Progressive. I should do a video where I'm reacting to my own videos. Why do I talk so weird? You know, my tiny home is not. Alright, yeah. So let's get into the video. Today, I'm going to be trading something. Well, I'm going to be trying to trade something. Oopsies. I'm trying to trade a train right now. And I know, some people love them. Some people will give so much. Some people say, nope. But yeah, guys, we are just going to try to get into a server now. And, we will see you. I'm looking for a rich one, guys. This is basically the best way you can look. Yeah, so I think this one right here, this one that I just like touched right here. Yeah, should I copy and paste that? I think so. No. Oh wait, can I actually copy and paste this? I can literally copy and paste this. Wow, yeah, I'm sending that to my mom. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, so, I'm gonna join this one. Some people look rich, but it's currently 8:15, so, not many rich players. But, we'll see, guys. I'll be back. Hey, guys. Okay, so now I'm trying to load into a server. The other server, I ended up loading in, and it was not rich at all. So yeah, I just noticed I didn't change out my tiny home, which I'm gonna need to do now to my actual house. There we go. All right. This is not rich at all either, but maybe I can get something better than the last server. I've never seen this before. What is this? It's probably something that's glitched. Bat dragon. Well, I like bat dragons, so hello. You traded me. Oh, no, I don't. I want to spawn my train, but it says there's not enough place. You know what? We'll spawn it right here. Okay, great. Okay. Trading train. Well, I know I have a train here. Hello, person. Nope. Definitely not. I didn't want to do that anyway. Oh, is someone sitting in my train? People are sitting in my train. No, I'm trading and I'm not. Oh, let me just like politely back out so I don't kill anyone. Okay, people, stop riding in my train, please. I'm trading the train. It's not for people to ride in. Excuse me? Excuse me, you broke my train. Something good. Maybe a legend pet. Okay, I don't know. I'll excuse me, sir. Oh, a ride horse? No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm sorry, dude. Have an awesome pet, and I really like it, but no, thank you. Jim just said, I have a kit. Wait, was that you saying that? What was? Yes. Was that you saying I have a kit soon? Nope, that was not you. I would sub. How about a hot dog stand or something? Hot dog stand horse. Hot dog stand horse and something. Me? I'm a scammer? Me? Wait, I know you. I know you. You're my friend's sister. I'm friend with you on Roblox. I just teleported to you. I'm friends with you. Well, don't be rude. This is my friend here. Don't be rude. I'm not even gonna say it because I don't want to be mean. But hello. 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 Well, guys, guys, I don't know if you could hear me. Well, I said, well, guys, I'm sorry because my friend had called me. She probably didn't know I was recording. No problem. I should probably give them a heads up. But yeah. Okay. Oh, money. Well, I don't think anyone else is online. So we'll see. Maybe this is the same server. It may be the same server. Whoa, actually, this is a good server. I mean, it's not very good, but I could probably get, I can't get a neon turtle, but maybe I could get a kit soon or something for my train. I can't spawn my train anywhere. Okay, yes, thank you. Okay, now I could just move my train backwards. Oopsie. I'm sorry, I hate you. I'm sorry. Yes, it's still there, so I don't have to hide. Okay, trading a train. Oh, this person is poor, so I'm gonna donate to. Let's donate. I'm sorry. Let's donate a monkey pogo. Yeah. Oh, yay! Aww. Oh. You put it away. Oh my god. Do you not see? I gave you a monkey pogo. Hello? Okay. Do you want that? Is that okay? You know what? Okay. He doesn't want it. Okay, whatever. Trading train. Does no one want my train? I have a very nice train. Ooh, maybe I probably can't get a blue dog for it. Maybe I can get a butterfly bundle. Bundle pack. Whatever. Hello. I have a that's what I wanted. Your butterfly bundle. Please. That's a good trade. I think that's a good trade. Please come back. Hello? I mean, I feel like the butterfly bundle is a good deal. I'm gonna trade you for your neon turtle right there. Okay, well, no one wants my train. I'm very offended. Well, you have a kitsune, and I don't have a unicorn. Your dream's a unicorn, so I'm sad. I'm getting my witch's cavern too. No. Never mind. I'm sorry. I meant to leave. No. What am I doing? Okay, yes. Leave family. I love my own family. No one wants my train. I should have just accepted that train before, because no one wants this train. Hello? Hi. Hello. I would really like your trade. I would really like you to accept. You have it. Hey, I have a rocket racer too. Is this the same person I traded before? Yeah, it was probably the same person. I don't have a polar bear. Wait, I have a neon polar bear. I think she's trying to make a bear connection. No, collection. She has a polar bear. I mean, she has a panda bear. No, she's trying to get a polar. Oh. Why do you keep on trading me, person? That person just keeps on trading me. What? I'm trading my train. Oh, ride potion. Maybe I can get a ride potion. ABC. Because I actually will trade my train for a ride potion. It's not a very good trade, but I can do it. ABC. Okay, I am saying ABC a lot. Well, I would love to do this, but you're not going to accept. Sure. Yeah, for a second, I thought she was going to accept. Hello, I will trade you. Okay. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi, hello. Hi. I wanted, I did, are you? Wait. You know what? I was being picky before with the horse and stuff. I was being picky before. But you it says not for trade. Can you add? Can you add? Add. Where are you? Wherever you are, add. I'm sorry. I burped while I was doing that. Excuse me. Add. You need to add, girl. Was it you or you? Or where was the person? No, you won't do that. Show off. No, please don't. If you're watching this video, I understand why you put the unicorn in because I may have flexed on you before, and I'm very sorry. I apologize. I apologize deeply, and you are not a show-off. I'm sorry. But I wouldn't exactly do that trade. My dog is barking. My dog is barking. Doggo barking. Okay, you know what? We should just accepted that panda trade with that whatever her name was, the girl. Maybe I can find someone who wants my train. No one wants my train, guys. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me fail to get a train. To get a trade for a train in Adopt Me. Hope you guys watched it. Also, should I have done that trade with the panda or the horse or anything really like that? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And that's just like messed up. But look up here in the panda. I like to show him now. But he's awesome. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.